Hi, my friends. It's Ian here, and as you can see, I'm in the Buildabizonline members area. I'm sure, well, I've had a lot of feedback from the video that I sent out showing people the new look. They said it's looking really tidy, and these side menus have all been taken out and they've all been added up here. Okay, now we've got a slightly different video today because what I've done, we've got the same kind of look in the bonus autoresponder. So if you go here, this is the way that I log into the autoresponder. We just click on there and there we have it. So it's a similar look, similar colors. Okay, you've got your introductory video, which you are watching right now, which is there, and then a little bit of an explanation. Please note though, that if you do downgrade at Buildabizonline, you will lose all your work in here. Okay, and this is where our shared campaigns are now. So if you click on there, we've got one or two shared campaigns. I still need to make more, but I'll get onto it, honest. Right, now then, this was Martin's idea, bless his cotton socks, to put these drop downs because they can irritate you while you're messing about clicking here. So we've put the training and the advanced tools up the top. So you've, like I say, you've got your first campaign. This is very basic training, this one. And the advanced training for the advanced tools is on this right hand side. Okay, so that's good. Now, your main menu for your autoresponder, they're all in yellow so that there's no discrepancy. We've taken out this left-hand menu, which was really irritating some people that actually work on their mobile phones. Now, this has been made responsive. As you can see, I've just closed that down now, and it's all responsive. And if I drag it open, you can see it in that size. Okay, so it's all responsive for you. Right, so similar to the other one, we always have a members home button, and that's where you'll always come back here. Your responders, they are here. So any campaigns, and obviously if you are just starting, you will just see this box at the bottom. Okay, so the training for that, as I've said, is just here, your first campaign. Now, when you want to edit or add your messages, what you do is click on there, and then you click on whichever campaign you're working on. Okay, so Martin sorted this out for us, and it's absolutely amazing. And everything is working really fine in here. So you can add your message, your subject line, you can either have it in text form or HTML. Now, I always say HTML is far better because you can add some colours, you can bold some part, and it picks it up really nice, okay? So that's where you add your messages. This is where your campaign's subscribers will be, and I'm not going to click on there because there'll be people's emails, and I don't want everybody spamming them. Okay, I'm sure you wouldn't, but now then, on this one, this is where you send a broadcast email. Now, we call it a broadcast because what you do, I can click on this and I can choose any one of the campaigns. You can see I've got quite a number in here. So if I wanted to send a message out to everybody in that campaign, I can do it here. And again, Martin had the preview. You can either have it in text form or HTML. Okay, there's one or two tags there that you can use, and that's a good thing. Right, only one left, and that's the members log out. So I suggest that what you do is always log out. When you finish for the day, just simply click on there and you're logged out, okay? Now, there is another way of coming in. As I said, I like to use that, but you can click on there and you can see the login there. Okay, so that's it. Short video explaining the new look and the things that we really needed to do to make it look a lot more professional. So this is Ian signing out, saying thanks for listening and bye for now, and well done for upgrading you members. It really does help us out. Okay, bye.